Greetings. It is Wednesday, April 13th, 2022. I just relocated something heavy there so I could access this wall here with white matboard as a background. This is Under the Wings artwork 74, which I recently completed framing. The drawing of a murdered Jewish elite girl through with the Nazis' Auschwitz death camp in Nazi-occupied Poland in 1944, the victim of the Third Reich, and the silence and complicity of the Protestant and Catholic churches, which were aligned with the Third Reich. Quick overview of the whole work, including the mosaic tiles I did on the bottom base here. Various things I attached. A symbolic railway spike. Base from a candlestick holder. Piece of metal detritus I found on the street or sidewalk. Got this up on the banks of the Thames in London. The shells from some beach walk, I forget where. And the drawing, a memorial portrait, allegorical seamonsters, and two budgies. That's just of my own interest, something beautiful, melodic. And we have 4 budgies here. Say hi to the camera here. Viewers on YouTube, Facebook. How are we doing? Oh, good. Thank you. Appreciate that. Okay, there you have it. Blessed memory of Rita Levy, whose life was cut way too short, not only by the Third Reich and the churches, but by the silence of millions of people throughout Europe during the time of the Holocaust, which saw the murder of 10 million people.